So guys, the PPI data just came out and it's not good. PPI data, so first off, what is PPI data? It's the producer price index. And it came out this morning. It was not good, guys. It was not good at all. But if we look at stocks this morning, I actually think seems like everything is going up. Cryptos are going up. Cryptos are going up, but it's probably because of Robinhood accepting a bunch of cryptos and because they were also kind of at a dip. But if you look at stocks, guys, everything is trading sideways or up, not down, not on a downtrend at all. So what happened, guys? Yesterday they came out with CPI data. CPI data was actually as expected and it was pretty good. So this morning when the pre-market opened up, stocks went up, and then it kind of tanked it as the PPI data came out. And what is it? So the CPI is the consumer price index, and then the PPI is the producer price index. So CPI was pretty good, it was as expected, but PPI was not. We were expecting 0.5, a 0.5%. It came out at almost 1%, 0.9%. So almost double, guys, almost double. But for some reason, things are going not down. So what I think it is, guys, I think we hit that bottom. It's that bottom that we keep hitting. And we were kind of there. If you take I think we're going to go back up a little bit. I don't think it's going to drift back much lower. I don't think we're going back to here, guys. I don't think we're going back to March 13th, 14th at the very, very lowest at all. I don't think so. So this is my overall portfolio. This morning we're up 4%, so really cool. And especially knowing that the PPI data was not good, I was really not expecting this. I was not. Everything's shooting up. Really good. Really, really good. So we're going to keep an eye on this. We're going to keep an eye on this. And what I think it is, guys, is markets are so volatile right now. Things are going up and down. It's like you cannot have one good news without having a bad news following it. There's no 2 days of good news or two. It's just up and down, up and down, up and down. We're in survival mode. Survival mode. That's why I still think that it's not trying to be paper handing, but I think that when things spike, guys, don't expect things to just keep spiking. That's when you might want to call it and try to buy the dip afterwards. That's kind of what my plan is. At least that's my plan, guys, for the next 2022 is going to be a weird year in stocks, guys. It's going to be weird. We're not going to be as lucky as in 2020 as in 2021 because you couldn't go wrong, really. Everything was just shooting to the moon. Everything was to the moon, to the moon, to the moon. It's over. To the moon is over, guys. It's over. We're not going to the moon. No one's going to the moon, okay? So now we got to work with what we got. We got to work with what we got. We got to work with the information coming in. There's a war going on. Inflation, it is what it is. So, but when you see spikes, guys, they're good moments to lock in some profits if you got profit on them. Wait, if you have money to put it in stocks, what I would do is wait for those ultimate dips because they keep happening. When you see and stick to stocks that you know, guys. Stick to stocks that you know where they belong, what's their usual price range, because you will know when it's a dip. You will know when you're buying a real dip and not when the thing is just tanking down. Anyways, I'm going to keep this short. You need to subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll do another update. But guys, PPI data was not good. Stocks are not reacting that bad. It's not. So let's keep fingers crossed. Hopefully, we got one more day, guys. Tomorrow the market's open. It's closed for Friday. Hopefully tomorrow we see a green day again. And we should be off on a good start next week. That's what I'm hoping. And then it could keep drifting back up, not drifting back down. Guys, I'm out. Subscribe. Have an awesome day. Booyah.